Everyone, welcome to Kudlu Falls. This is the check post of Kudlu Falls where we pay the entry fees and where they calculate the number of plastic bags, plastic bottles. Then they check it in our bag when we return. That is, when we return, they will see whether there are same amount of plastic bottles, plastic bags, so that there will be no wastage, there will be no disposal in the waterfalls. So this is to maintain cleanliness by the forest department here in Someshwara Wildlife Range, Hebri. So Kudlu Falls is near the village Hebri, and for per person it is rupees 100. And I have come with Tanuj to this falls because this is one of my favorite falls in Karnataka, and that is why I wanted to invite a foreigner, that is from Hyderabad, to this beautiful waterfalls. Tanuj, what do you think? Does Hyderabad have such beautiful waterfalls?
No, bro, it's concrete jungle. And for being a concrete jungle, like you do have nature escape spots, but they're escape spots made for experiencing it. It's not naturally like this. There's no road to coming here, proper road. It's pretty much just like this.
Mud road.
Yeah, mud. It's just mud. It's not a road. But there's no tree. That's why we call it road. So it's amazing drive. And we had like a lot of fun coming here. And when you're here, Hadi has been hyping this place up for so long. And I really I'm looking forward to seeing it. And the air, everything here, everything feels amazing. Like it's very, calming.
Yeah. And also we slept overnight in car. And I did my initiation sessions in the car itself while having breakfast. So it was pretty hectic in the morning, and Tanuj also slept in the car. So how was the sleep in the car?
I mean, I didn't sleep before to come to Mangalore. I had a early morning flight, so I didn't sleep the entire night. I came here. We had a long day yesterday, and I think I haven't slept in 36 hours, 48 hours maybe. So I just passed out in the car. Next thing I know, we're here. We're in a nearby village where we could get breakfast and stuff. We woke up, we freshened up, we got breakfast, and then we came over here.
Yeah, and also I'm very excited to see Tanuja's face when he sees the waterfalls, because this is the waterfalls which is very close to my heart. I always thought of bringing someone special here, but that never worked out. So
your heart is a public place, bro.
But anyways, I have brought my best friend here, and I have already brought Anant before, but this is the first time I'm showing it with Tanuj, the place closest to my heart. And also I have brought my girlfriend Kalima inside the bag. Yeah, so now let's go to the waterfalls.
Yeah, so I was telling, I think you should get something here. How Iron Man has that in his chest. You should have your phone camera in your chest, bro. Bro keeps vlogging every 5 minutes.
So Tanuj, how are you feeling about this mud road?
Bro, what crazy spot, bro.
The trekking didn't even start, bro. It's just, we are 1%.
Yeah.
Imagine when we reach the falls.
It's too fun. It's really fucking peaceful here, bro. It's really
What do you think Kalima is feeling inside my bag?
Take her out and ask, no?
She's like, where these guys are taking me. They took me to lunch, breakfast, now falls.
Yeah. Okay, there's a board there saying that we can't take bath. Why is it? We can't?
I mean, with soap we can't, I guess, because soap will have that. What's that? Chemicals.
Yeah. Glycerin and all.
Yeah. That's why. We can take.
Bro, this is actually, bro, this looks so good, bro. What the hell? What topic this is?
Yeah.
You know Ahobilam?
What is that?
The Narsimha Kshetra. Trekking there also is similar from here. But this is too good. Bro, I don't want to leave this place, bro. You have to come here to experience this. There's no amount of camera that will do justice to what this is. What the fuck? This is too... The water is really clean. It's transparent. It's drinkable.
So Tanuj has left off his slippers here itself.
Yeah.
Because he wants to enjoy
barefoot.
Naked foot.
This is too clean, guys. You have no idea. I don't feel like walking with slippers on this. And we left the slippers there. We'll see how honest Karnataka is.
Okay. Let's
wow,
go.
Bro. Wow. Can't believe only.
To whoever is planning to buy Vigraha, you should know that whenever we carry any deity's Vigraha, we should not wear footwear. we should walk on barefoot whenever we carry the idol. Rest of the time you can wear footwear.
Yeah.
Tanuj also has left off his footwear as he wanted to experience the barefoot feeling.
Yeah,
with
bro, I want to
nature.
feel this ground every inch, bro.
Yeah.
Too good.
So guys, these are the steps towards the Kudlu Falls, and there are a lot of chances that we meet centipedes. That is, centipedes are those wild creatures which will bite and run away. So we have to be careful with that. Like millipedes are safe. Millipedes are the ones which have millions of legs. They are safe. They will not bite and all. But centipedes bite very fiercely, and that's why we have to be careful. So very good spot for cardio, for enjoying the water, for swimming, and you will see the beauty of it in few minutes. Tanuj, Hyderabad ka hero in Karnataka. I don't know whether he'll like this place. What do you think, guys? Whether Tanuj will like this place? See his curly hair. Which shampoo do you use, Tanuj? What is the secret of this curly hair?
Guys, do you want to know something? Aditya doesn't use soap. He has one shampoo ka bottle, which he uses for everything. That's it. That's all he has in the washroom.
That's masculine, bro.
Yeah.
Masculine people don't care about cosmetics and all.
Yeah. So I also use that only.
You use Dove.
Yeah. Whatever you have.
Hello everyone. So before we get that waterfalls, we'll get a huge ass tree, and that tree is more than 1,000 years old. So I can't wait for Tanuj to see that tree. So huge, like it is like this tree. So let's say this tree is like 500 years old, but that tree is like huge, like this huge, and it might be more than 1,000 years old. So I don't know the history of this place, but this place is magical. This place is better than any Indraloka, Hiranyaloka, Swargaloka. Even if I achieve Samadhi, right? And Yogananda invites me to Hiranyaloka, I will still come here again to see Kudlu Falls, because there is something in it. Like this Kudlu Falls, right? It's more than heaven. It's more than astral planets. It has something magical, and I don't know how to explain it. So if you see, you will get to know. And there are a lot of sounds going on here. I don't know what is it. I hope it's not any snake or something, but a lot of sounds. Can you hear it?
Yeah. We'll go and see it.
Bro. It might be some wild animal, bro.
Yeah.
Bro. Don't provoke it. If it attacks.
I mean, death is freedom, bro. Bro, that's actually a wild animal. I thought Adi was kidding. Nice.
Some sound is coming there.
Yeah, I think it's like a...
Rabbit or something. See the texture of this tree, guys. There are
No,
some
no.
mushrooms here.
Wait, give camera.
Wait, I'll zoom in the mushroom.
It looks like Shivling also.
Oh. Beautiful tree. Algae.
Yeah, to explain the situation that we're in. There's literally, I'm gonna do a 360-degree round.
जटाकटाह संभ्रम पनिर्जरी विलोलवीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनी. You know the lyrics, huh?
Yeah.
Tell bro.
I know Telugu.
Tell bro the lyrics.
Why?
I don't know.
It's like Yavadanta. It's a con here. Oh no, in Hindi.
Yeah.
Yeah, like same thing in Telugu. Yavadanta. So, student of psychology, no? Telling you, bro, therapy is scam, bro. Come here, bro. Stay like, come alone, stay for 2 hours and go. See if your mental health is not fixed.
Still, we have not seen any centipedes. Thanks to God. Those are like deadly creatures. I'm still afraid of them.
Like, can you hear the water?
Yeah, somewhat.
Yeah. Something so blissful about water. It's like, it calms your... I think your body is 70% water, no?
Yeah.
And when you go near water, somehow the entire thing calms down. and you're like much more peace, bliss, calm, and something settles within you. Like so nice, even just to hear it. But as I was saying, right, a lot of meditation music that people use is just waterfalls. Like how you can, I don't know if it's visible, audible in the mic, but there's a huge stream of water sound, and that's really, really calming. So calming that I cannot speak right now. It's very amazing.
We have still not met the huge tree. Still looking for it. And a lot of acupuncture to my legs. Even Tanuj is facing the same.
No, I'm enjoying it.
So those, that Chinese massage parlors, they do that acupuncture, right?
Mhm.
They put that pin and a vacuum thing, that bulbs.
Yeah.
Have you seen that?
Yeah.
Like, what is that?
I don't know, bro. I think there's some nervous points, nadis or something.
Hmm.
You do something to one, something happens somewhere else.
Oh, whew, lot of cardio here. And we're still waiting for the waterfalls, but still not getting any results. Hope we are on the right way. Lot of wild animals, chameleons who change colors. Hello everyone. It's a very sad moment. That is, every time I came to this waterfalls, I used to meet this tree. It was a very huge tree, more than 1,000 years old. I don't know how, but it has been broken down. So just 2 years in US and this tree has fallen. Maybe out of thunderstorm, or maybe they have cut it, I don't know. But it was very huge, like it was so thick and it was huge. And I think it was one of the oldest tree in this area. Yeah, now we have to bear with this broken tree. Hello everyone. Now we are at the second largest tree in Kudlu Falls. The first largest tree was cut down. I don't know for what reason, but now we are managing with the second largest tree. It's very huge. Like, see, what do you feel about this tree, Tanuj?
This tree, bro, is beautiful. It's very welcoming. It's nice. And I think this looks at least like 1,000 years old. Could be.
Yeah,
1,000
more
or
than 1,000, bro.
More than 1,000, yeah.
Yeah. Love it, bro.
Yeah.
Guys, this is very peaceful spot here, and a lot of meditative vibes. Om Namah Shivaya. Then Tanuj, what do you think about your degree?
Yeah, bro. Degree, I don't know if I'll finish it. While coming to Mangalore, I don't know why, I texted somebody from my college. I asked her, bro, I didn't come to college. Can you help me? Then she tells me, bro, we're doing our dissertations. We're all very busy with research. I'll send you notes and sort everything, but like you have to come and do all that. So then I realized they've been doing like research for the past 3 months to finish their dissertation and submit it in like few days. So if I have to go make up for the college, I have to go to a dissertation in 2 days and submit it somehow. And get a fake letter for attendance from a doctor. Then write exams. Then submit all internals in like next few days. Then there's a small chance.
Yeah, that's the most chillest dude you see on the planet, who doesn't care about his degree. And
Bro, the thing now, my degree, initially when I got admission abroad and my parents didn't send me, then I wanted to go somewhere outside Hyderabad. Because, stay alone and like evolve for whatever. So then they're like, why, if you're staying in India, stay in Hyderabad only. Then I got into this Geetham college and I got 75% scholarship. I was very close to 100, but I got 75% scholarship. Back then, psychology was recently started. So it was just 60K per year, the fee. For me, it's 15K per year. So if I, like, doesn't matter. If I do 10 years also, it won't be as much as like 1 year of an engineering graduate. Like, there's nothing I'm paying now. No point. And faculty is really chill. So if I go back, they probably will find a way to sort my degree.
Truly.
So not wasting money, just wasting. Like, there's nothing that of value, bro, when I go there.
True.
We just sit in a classroom. Like, we'll have 4 classes, 5 classes a day. Unlike engineering guys, no? The timetable is just full, bro. There's no break only anywhere. For us, it's empty, bro. Like, barely there's classes. Because we don't have so much.
Yeah.
And it's just sitting around and talking with the same old people. And the thing about the colleges, no? And like, people came into psychology, they came with interest in the subject. But once they saw how the field is and how the current working status, condition and everything is, people who wanted to do like healings, clinical therapy and all, they're good. People who wanted to go deeper and stuff, they all left psychology. So it is what it is.
A lot of mosquitoes right here.
Yeah, but some shit's biting me continuously.
the mosquitoes are transferring my blood to Tanuj, Tanujas to me. So there is a chance that Tanuj might get enlightened today because of my blood. What do you think? If my DNA enters any human on earth, they will get instant enlightenment.
Are you for real? Because over Narabali now here only.
Beheading of
Yeah.
Aditya.
I will give it to everybody who come to Kudlu Falls.
You pour it in the water and it will flow.
Yeah.
Will this South Indian side only enlightened.
Yeah.
Okay guys, now we'll go to the waterfalls. Enough of this junk talking. And
Guys, I'm not even kidding. We spoke so much junk. This might be in video, but the junk won't be. He's gonna cut everything out.
bye tree. Bye.
Thanks for
Love you.
hosting us.
Love you. Yeah.
Yes, bro. Very hosty.
Yeah. You can feel his energy, no? It's he or she.
He only, no?
Wait, I'll see the gender of the tree.
I'm
Bro, it's a he. It's a he, bro. It's a he tree, male tree.
Hardest of the hard, bro.
David Goggins.
That actually looks like really nice.
Yeah.
Arch. Like Tarzan couldn't be shot there.
Oh. We'll go, no? We'll go. Yeah, we'll go. जय हनुमान ध्यान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिह लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नाम महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवारा सुमति के संगी पांचन वर्ण विराज सवेश कानन कुंडल कुंचित केश हाथ वज्र अर्ण ध्वज विराजे कांति मूंजे जने उचाजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रतापा महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गणी अति चातुर राम काज करिवे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिवे को हसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धर सिए दिखावा विकट रूप धर लंक जरावा भीम रूप धर असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाए संजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर के पुर लाए रघुपति कीनी ते बढ़िया कहा भरत सम तुम प्रिय भाई सहस्र वदन तुम्हार गावे अस कई श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनिषा नारद शारद सहित अहिषा यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते कवि कोविद के स के कापे तुम उपकार शीघ्र भय कीना राम लाय राजपथ कीना तुम्हारे मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना युग सहस्र योजन पर भानु लीलोत्साही मधुर फल जानू प्रभु मुद्रिक मेले मुकमाई जल दिलांगे अचरज नाय दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते राम दुलारे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक का हो को डरना आपन तेज समारो आपे तीन लोक हांकते कांपे भूत पिशाच निकट न आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे ना पे रोग हरे सब पीरा जब तुम निरंतर हनुमंत वीरा संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम ध्यान जो लावे सब पर राम राय सिर ताजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमृत जीवन फल पावे चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता अवसर दीना जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे प्यासा सदा हो रघुपति की दासा तुम्हारे भजन राम को भावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिलरावे अंतकाल रघुपति सजाई जहाँ जन्म भक्त कल राय और देवता चित्तन दरिया हनुमंत से सर्व सुख करिया संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमरे हनुमंत बलवीरा जय 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 हनुमान गुसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाय हे शतवार पाठ कर जोई तूते बंदी मास को होय जय पड़े हनुमान चालीसा होय सिद्धि सा की गौरीसा तुलसीदास दारि चेरा की जय नाथ हृदय मडेरा इति श्री तुलसीदास विरचित हनुमान चालीसा समाप्त पवन तनय संकट हरण मंगल मूर्ति रूपा राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसु सुरभूपा। Hello everyone, welcome to the Kudlu Falls. We are finally at the Kudlu Falls with our Kali. Ma Kali is here itself. exactly below the waterfalls. And Tanuj is also here. He's seeing the Kudlu Falls for the first time in his life.
Yeah.
So what do you feel, Tanuj?
I was beyond impressed. This guy set up the video and he was waiting and I couldn't take my eyes off the falls. Something so expansive. I don't know what's here, but something is so amazing. I can't tell.
Yeah. And those rocks, it feels like multi-dimensional.
Yeah. It's very easy to lose yourself here.
Yeah. Imagine Samadhi here.
Yeah, it's very easy. I didn't feel it was this easy anywhere else.
Yeah. Is there any waterfalls which has matched the beauty of this waterfalls?
Energy, no. Beauty, I don't know. I mean, like, beauty is, I think, subjective. But for me, vibe matters. Because Niagara Falls can be beautiful. But how is the vibe there? You tell.
This directly comes from Kashi itself, from Kashi till the Western Ghats, and that is nothing but our Western Ghats. Above this is Agumbe Ghat, and this is below Agumbe Ghat. So this is the waterfall that comes directly from the Western Ghats, and we are thinking of bathing our Kali Ma here in this waterfalls and seeing her reaction. We want to see her beautiful reaction, how she will experience the first water droplet on her body. And what do you think? Will she enjoy it?
Yeah, definitely, bro. So divine here. Like, there's no words coming out. Have to manufacture. Like, how is this happen? Like, wow.
Yeah.
Like, this is like, I don't know what, but you have to visit this once and come alone if you can. Like, literally, really just come alone when there's nobody here, sit alone. That's it.
Yeah.
What do you feel? How is the energy here?
Yeah, we don't feel like talking only, right? It's
Yeah.
like we just feel like swimming in the waterfalls.
Yeah. It's too beautiful, bro.
Yeah.
Too beautiful.
Did you like it? So if your Ajna Chakra is awakened, you will hear her voice. Okay, she's angry a bit. I think we need to bathe her immediately. So now let us go to bathe Ma Kali and see her reaction. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा कल्याणाद्भुतगात्राय कामितार्थप्रदायिने श्रीमद्वेंकटनाथाय श्रीनिवासाय ते नमः। या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवे सदा पूजिता सामां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते। मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये। समुद्रवसने देवी पर्वतस्तनमण्डले विष्णुपत्नी नमस्तुभ्यं पादस्पर्शं क्षमस्व मे। कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले स्थिता गौरी प्रभाते करदर्शनम् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृता ॐ असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमया ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिन्धु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रिये वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृतिस्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायति समर्पयामि। Hello everyone, welcome to the last video in Kudlu Tirtha Falls, and we are sitting in the most meditative spot here in Kudlu Tirtha. It's full of caves, like it has that cave vibes. It's like full deep, it's like a deep hill carved naturally, not carved by men, it is carved naturally by the waters, and it feels very meditative here, deep intense energies. So that's why we chose to meditate here. We did our mantra japa sadhana, and Tanuj did his own sadhana taught by Jiveshwar Guruji. And here is our Kali. After we bathed her, then we ourselves dipped in the water of Kudlu Tirtha. We both of us went under the water. We climbed that hill, that slippery slope, and we came back. Then we started meditation here. So how was the overall experience of climbing those slippery stones and under the waterfalls? So tell the whole experience of Kudlu Tirtha.
Kudlu Tirtha, I mean, coming here was fun. Amazing drive. Once we saw that, how I reacted. Then, yeah, it's like each step surprises you, and it just keeps getting better and better. And the water here is really nice for some reason. It does something. It doesn't even feel like water. It feels like something else. Then we did some rock climbing, which was like pretty risky. The rocks, basically you can't step on them because you'll basically slide. Like it'll slide. There's algae on them. And somehow we made it to the top. Then somehow we made it to the bottom again. It's really nice, and I don't know what else to say.
Yeah, too dangerous those stones are. Like if one slip can ruin your entire life. So like if you fall from
Not
there,
only our life. If we mess with one wrong rock, no, it's an avalanche. We're dropping like tons of rock into that waterfall area.
but the waterfalls itself is safe, whereas the hill near the waterfalls made of stones, it's a little bit dangerous. So you have to be careful there if you are planning to visit here. And also we have like 30 minutes trekking before and after the waterfalls. So we can't bring our car directly to the waterfalls. There is a lot of trekking to do before that. So you have to plan in such a way that you will see the waterfalls during the afternoon time. But if you come late, that is, if you come in the afternoon itself, then you will miss the waterfalls because it will be dark. By the time you reach the waterfalls, evening, it will be dark, and also they'll not allow you to come to the waterfalls if you come during the afternoon time. So that's why you have to come here early morning, maybe 8:30, 9 a.m. Then they will allow you to go inside the trekking area. And also, what do you think our Kali felt after bathing in the waterfalls?
I have no idea, but you enjoyed. Could see.
Like when I kept her on the head,
Yeah.
like I was chanting that mantra, Dakshina Kali, all the Kali, Bhuya Kali, Bhadra Kali, Smashan Kali, Mahakali, Dhana Kali, Siddhi Kali, Kala Kali, Kamakala Kali, and Chanda Kali, and finally Dakshina Kali. All 10 Kali I was chanting, and during that time I felt like I was only Shiva, like carrying the Shakti.
You felt like the Shiva. You felt like the Shiva underneath that Kali. Huh?
Yeah, it was like pure silence, just Kali, and all that fear that I was getting a bit fear that I will slip and fall. That fear went away. I was just fully confident and I was just holding it, just enjoying the moment, the present moment. Like nowadays, it's very hard to be in the present. That is, we
Yeah.
always be in the past or future. We think about future and all that stuff. But being in the present is very difficult nowadays. That's why we need the grace of the deities to know how to live life, how to be at present. Actually, the present, right? It's pure silence. In the present, there is no one, there is nothing. Whatever you're seeing right now, it is a memory actually. The waterfalls, the rocks. All this is the memory of Aditya and Tanuj. But in the present, there is no one. So this is a future or past. This universe itself is future or past. It's not present. So that's what we have to realize. If you really stay in the present, I'm not talking about the Western psychology, that be in the present. Not that psychology thing.
No, it's like, I think what you're saying is there's like a movie that played once.
Yeah.
And you just chose one moment in the movie and you're thinking that is you. Here in the present, there's nothing. That's what you're saying now.
True. Just a memory.
But weird Prarabdha, bro. Out of all spots that we have to come here, sit here and meditate.
Yeah. That too, it is like carved for meditation itself.
Yeah. Like, I don't know if it's visible in the camera, but it's like actually carved all the way. It's not just here, it goes all the way. Like, if even there's a thunderstorm, no, it won't hit us.
It's like this is the last spot here, the last edge of the whole Kudlu Tirtha hill, right? It ends here, that spot. Yeah. And also, now what I'm doing is, before in the US I was taking energy from Kali because I didn't have energy there, I didn't have love there. I was taking. Cream Bhadrakale Nama, absorbing her power. Cream Mahakali, absorbing her power. I was becoming more powerful and powerful. At the same time, I was getting all Kama, Krodha, Mada, Lobha, Moha, Matsara, lust, anger, greed, jealousy. I was like a spoiled person in the US. I was taking everything from Kali and again blaming her for not giving anything, all that stuff. But now, after getting the Vigraha, the whole Aditya only turned upside down. That is, I started giving energy. Like, I'm like, I don't want anything. Uchishta Ganapati, go inside her. Tripura Bhairavi, go inside her. Kamala, go inside her. Hanuman, go inside her. Akshobha Bhairav, Kali, Krishna, Vishnu, Narasimha, Shodashi, everyone go inside her only. I don't want anything. I don't want anyone's energy. So when you give up everyone's energy to her only, that time you become this Shiva. Shiva with nothing, zero. So that's what I realized. I was meditating this whole time in a complete inverted way, ulta. Now I have realized the real depth of meditation. That is giving energy, not taking energy, giving energy. Same goes with relationship also. When you are in relationship, it may be parents, friends, wife, girlfriend, whoever. You have to give. You have to not take. If you start taking, then nobody will be near you. So that is what I realized.
I think when you're in that taking mode, you're constricted. You become small. You can't hold also. When you want to take something, and when you want to give, no, it's some there's an expansion. I
Yeah.
feel.
Yeah.
Even there's a trick that I should discuss. So psychologically, right? Like not full psychology, but a little, people psychics and all. There's a trick. So there's like a few things they do. For example, if you're running a business, so for you not to fail, you should have people dependent on you. Like if they only depend on you, because of their dependency, you will not fail. Right? And two, if you wanna get like rich, no. If you say I want to get rich and you try to take energy from the universe, then only some will come. If you want to make like a billion people rich, and like if you want to make everybody rich, if you want everybody to get rich, then the universe will give you that amount of energy.
Like Andrew Tate.
Yeah. So really, like it'll actually, what happens is then, so there's a point like when people say you have to be giving selfless service and all. There's a point in that, like even if you don't look at it from the emotional angle of being compassionate, loving and all, just by doing that you're receiving more. But you have to do that not to receive more. But the moment like you're like if I do this I receive more, you'll not receive. So that's the trick.
Yeah, that is true. Yeah, giving without any
Yeah,
expectation.
without any expectation. If you keep like I want to get rich in life, for example. I don't, but let's say I want to. Okay, I will take 100 other people. I'm like I want all of us to get rich. And the moment I make it all of us, now that expanded. There's no like me in there. Like I'll have to think, and that moment we get more energy. We'll get more options. We'll see a lot of other things. So you have to expand ourselves. Like I feel like the identity also, this one body. Then like maybe two. If you do for two people, two bodies. Like if you have to like expand slowly. That also like I think there's some.
And also Tanuj is wearing my signature shorts. Red shorts.
All Project Kali, right? Sit where your guru sat.
Yeah. And sit here and do your sadhana. At least 5 mala of the initiated mantra. So now let us go, right? To Karkala. Yeah. Thanks everyone for watching this video till here. Thanks Tanuj for coming to Mangalore, coming to this beautiful waterfalls and making my dream come true. That is taking my girlfriend to waterfalls.
I mean, I am grateful. He's saying thanks for no reason.
Yeah.
Like to experience this is like, I feel it's a great privilege that I get to sit beside somebody like him and even sit in meditation. It's a big privilege, I feel. It's not very easy.
Okay then. Thanks for everyone for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. Jai Mahakal.